Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll talk about how the process works for a new patient here at MyFitMed. So initially, when you come in, you'll have consult with one of our provider, either me or Steve or one of our provider at one of our location. We'll go over your overall health history and we'll recommend a full panel wellness lab. Regardless what your symptoms are, if you're coming in for weight loss, if you're coming in for hormones, if you're coming in because you're feeling tired, whatever your symptoms are, we'll check your full panel labs to see if there is something that can improve your overall wellness. You do the labs early morning fasting and you come in for a follow-up appointment where we discuss your labs and then we customize a plan for you. It can be hormones, vitamins, IV therapy, weight loss treatment, HGH treatment, multiple treatments based on your labs, your overall health and your fitness level. If you have any question, just give us a call and subscribe for more videos.